I was gonna be a millionaire. Like I actually grinded and prepared to be a millionaire, so eventually I became a millionaire.
Boski bought me the tip. Come on. Yeah. What we're gonna do, we'll get out the Maxton thing. There's no cap weight, still look. I don't know, but I'm gonna test it. Follow UAV right on Instagram. Actually feel the heat off of that. Yeah, how this is gonna work. I actually want to see how this is gonna work. Shank up the box and open it, so bam. See you in a bit. Is that high enough, I mean, say? I don't even know, but I'm gonna test it. Ooh, check out this YouTube. This is looking neat. Ooh, X3 M40D with a tubing muffler. Those of you already follow UAV right on Instagram, in YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. Bro, I can feel the heat off of that light. That is fucking, oh my days. I can actually feel the heat off of that. Fucking hell. Can you see the intercooler? So basically guys, what's going on? Man's doing it by myself in it, so I've got to try and hold it like that temporarily while I drill the holes and then I secure it up properly. So at first I thought it weren't the right bumper, but it kind of sort of looks like it is the right one. So we'll just fit it up and see. And you know what I'll go from there. If you need some for your car, let me know and I'll post you some. Same day delivery, so hit me up innit. You got my Instagram in the bio. You got my Instagram in the description, so if you need any of these for your build, hit me up. So I'm gonna get to it.
up one place. So if the slightest jerk it gets, it up a drop. You don't want it drop off.
Cool, yeah, got you. Alright. Let's go. Right, I like look. Got the whole Insta set up there. And done. Get the last touches done. Last touches and she's ready. Looks dope still. That looks dope. That looks dope. Cap did it with no instruction manual, you know. I done it with no instruction manual. Look, see all the instruction there? Oh, yeah. The rag part, so yeah, this is quite sturdy, I can't tap. Quite sturdy. Sturdy with it. Oh, look at that. Steady.